Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix no GPS signal lost on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on software update. Now in software update, click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. And after updating your mobile software, your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings again, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down to the end and here open the weather app. Now after opening the weather app, scroll down and click on battery and from here choose unrestricted. So after choosing unrestricted, it will fix your GPS signal issue. So if you are still facing the problem, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down and click on general management and then scroll down and click on reset. Now here scroll down and click on factory data reset and then scroll down to the end and click on this reset option here. So after clicking on reset option here, it will reset your mobile and delete everything from your mobile. So after doing this, your GPS signal issue will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.